Amuile pue, pue tonga e tonga. Amuile pue, pue, pue tonga.
Pahopuhingoa ko Mele Seini Folau mai me atata pa mohapai.
Malolele ko kuingoa ko Aspasia Tatuila. Lele mai me lapaha mo atata.
Ko kuingoa ko Leotisia Folau me atata mo hapai. So my favorite show was a tempo festival. My favorite dance in that show was the hiko. That's the only show we've only done the hiko in, and I really enjoyed it because it was something new besides that one and what we always do. I really enjoyed the hiko because of the juggling. We started fake juggling and then got into doing some moves. And then we actually started juggling with our limes.
It was challenging to like
The amount of you even dropped
it was like a new challenge for us.
No, you dropped the lemon.
Sorry, you
dropped the lemon. You're like, you're like,
yes, he was like, did you
My favorite show that we've done so far with Puke Puke has to be the Tempo Dance Festival at Q Theatre. I don't specifically remember the year, but I do remember that that was one of the first like big gigs that we had as a family. It was also a time where my dad was still alive, and he was a big supporter, a big part of what we did and everything that we did. Was one of my favorite faivas as well, just because I got the chance to do it with these girls here. We've been together doing faiva, sleeping over at each other's houses, practicing. We've been through a lot together, and just having that dance, just the three of us. I'd be happy to have other people in it, but most of the time it's always been just us three. And my favorite verse within that dance is the Moingango. I just enjoy that verse because we have different harmonies in it. We get to split off and do our own actions, and then at the end we just merge it all together. And yeah, mostly the singing too. It's a very beautiful song. And just having the family, usually the family is singing behind us. It just gives that homely feeling and belonging.
My favorite performance was the shooting on Mount Eden. What I like about it is we were actually, like, we felt like we were a part of nature. Just being able to perform within that environment made it feel more real. My favorite dance that we've done with Puke Puke is the Faiva. For me, growing up, I was always so shy. I didn't like having any sort of attention. But growing up, I became a part of Puke Puke, and dancing became something that I enjoyed so much. So I got used to being looked at and having eyes on me. So being a part of that gave me more confidence. I was always taught by the producers and creators of Puke Puke that it's a dance about physical beauty. So it's not just the way a woman looks like in her face, but the way she moves her body, the way she waves her hands and throws her arms and her legs. And I really like that. It made me concentrate on a lot of things. rather than just, the smile on my face or what my face looked like. And in faiva, being thick is beautiful, so it made me feel beautiful. And my favourite verse in Fakakoloa is the last verse, the tuna tuna, because we point and jump into different directions, and what I like about that is we all split up and we all do our own thing, and we all just focus on ourselves, and then in the end we come back together, and so we start and finish strong.
Ke whangana tua mai o pea, moenga ngata whea. Ke whangana tua mai o pea.